Hey, I'm Simon from the Bracketeer. Let's install our product in this 2021 Silverado using mounting method A. That's the clamp-on method. In this case, we're going to clamp onto the seat rails. So we want to use the supplied double-sided tape on the inside of the clamping loop. Then we fit our M6 set screws into the side of the clamping loops. Now we bolt the clamping loops under the adjustable spacer bar using the M6 bolts. And now we bolt the multi-drilled arms under the adjustable spacer bar. You may want to do this once the bracket is fitted in position to find the best position for the cradle and extinguisher. Don't tighten anything yet. You're going to need to be able to adjust it to fit the width of the seat rails. Now we drop the clamping loop onto the front of the inner lip of the seat rails. Then tighten the set screws while pushing down firmly onto the clamping loop. Then work your way around the fasteners, making sure they're all tight. Now fit your cradle onto the multi-drilled arms. Now you can fit your extinguisher into the cradle. And there we have it. The bracket's installed within 15 minutes, leaving the extinguisher out of the way, but within easy reach. And the seat still moves up over the top, making it even more out of the way.